Ever wondered how to set up trading charts and use indicators for successful trades? Today, we delve into this intriguing topic. The first step is setting up the chart. Start by marking the high of the previous day and the day before with solid red lines. These lines provide a visual representation of critical resistance levels. Next, draw a solid green line to represent the support levels from yesterday and the day before. These lines will give you a clear picture of the lowest points at which the stock traded on the previous 2 days. Following that, mark the pre-market high with a dashed red line and the pre-market support with a dashed green line. These dashed lines help to identify the stock's behavior before the market opens. Lastly, use 2 types of blue dashed lines. The darker one represents the closing price of the stock on the previous day, while the lighter one represents the closing price from 2 days ago. With these lines in place, it becomes easier to understand whether the stock is trading within or outside its usual range. For instance, consider a trade from a few days ago. The RDDT stock was shorted within the range of multiple days. On March 27th, the price was within the range of the March 26th low and the March 25th high. Unless these ranges were broken, it was a safe assumption that the stock would remain range-bound and could easily bounce back. Similarly, on March 28th, the stock Nvidia was trading within the range of the previous day's low. It would have been unwise to short it, assuming that this level would break on the first attempt. Instead, the stock experienced a short squeeze, quickly moving up 10 points, then retested the prior day's close. In summary, the process of setting up a chart involves marking the highs and lows of the previous 2 days, as well as the pre-market highs and lows. Additionally, marking the closing prices for the previous 2 days aids in understanding the stock's behavior. These levels are crucial to consider before making any trades. They provide a clear picture of the stock's range and potential behavior, allowing for more informed and strategic trading decisions. Remember, understanding your chart is the first step towards successful trading.